and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the. They too fly, though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunana. Say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement then we can't just while we're being friends, girl? I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Ride a bike like a bike, oh.
Wow. 360. Ang haba. Saan yung date niya, ma'am? No nga, lakad ka laya, babe. Wow. Gorgeous. Let's go na. Excited ka na, babe?
Hindi, natatakot ako. Sumisigaw sila.
Simula lang yan. Sasanay ka din dyan.
Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you want it. Yeah. She keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me?
Grabing init dito. Hoy, sa pawis na ako, man. Papunta namin sa susunod. Good morning. This one, bro.
Well, I have many subscribers, yeah?
No, a little bit, bro.
At 300, not many. Just may,
I want 300,000, bro.
yeah, maybe
The
next
future.
month, yeah.
Get another subscriber, Indonesian subscriber.
Good, I look fly, I look too good, put that on my mama, on my good, I look fly, I look good, you can't touch my
Fried duck, crispy duck, and we got tilapia,
And then call name here for the bebek, gurami.
gurami. Gurami.
Philippine too, gurami, fish.
Really?
Kapampang, yeah.
Oh wow. In their dialect. Gurami.
Gurami, yeah.
Wow.
Gurami, yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, fish.
This is
Okay.
good fish.
second game goes stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant, but I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my good. I look fly.
What kind of bean, you know?
String bean.
Yeah, string bean, no?
Coffee bean.
Ah, this is the vanilla.
Ah, okay. Wow.
Vanilla.
Let's go. Coffee touring. Coffee touring.
Here we have two. We call
Oh,
it
wow.
coffee machine
Coffee machine.
because they are maker. But
Oh.
in Indonesia, we call it luwak animal.
Luwak.
English is mongoose or sipet cat.
Yeah.
Still one family with cat and raccoon. Yeah. So why they always sleeping? Because they're nocturnal animal. They keep the night
they're
sleeping on the day.
okay.
And you know cappuccino? Cappuccino. Here we have more special than cappuccino.
Yeah.
We call it cat puppuccino.
Cat poopchino. The luwak.
Yeah, luwak pup.
Luwak poop.
It's look like a chocolate bar. But this one we have to washing first.
So much luwak.
Yeah, so much luwak from statue.
Totoo yan. Ay ko.
A lot of stairs.
Yeah. So much stairs. Oh my goodness. Malinis daw yan, sabi. May balat naman daw eh. Kumakain ka nga ng isaw eh. Yun nga, literal na at yun eh. Okay, so meron kaming 10 or 11 na coffees. So meron ginger tea, spice, rosella, lemongrass, mangosteen, tapos vanilla, ginseng, coconut, avocado, and Bali coffee.
It's like really dark. Parang siyang dark roast. Pero ang sarap niya.
Sarap.
I don't drink black coffee. Si EJ lang yung mahilig sa black coffee pero masarap siya. Ano
Okay,
mo?
so-
Linisan na muna to.
Ito yung luwak coffee. Yung cat poopchino.
Yeah, yung smell niya parang hindi siya coffee. It doesn't have a strong smell of coffee.
Oh, yan, tapang.
Really?
Parang pag naiisip ko yung poop, parang poop yung naamoy ko.
Hey, why would you say that?
Sorry.
I don't wanna try it.
Hindi, try mo lang. Parang matapang niya, mapait.
Ganes.
Oh.
Guys, so we're done coffee tasting.
The luwak.
Oh, this the luwak. Wow. Mahal. Mahal, bro.
Yeah, man, bro. You know how to speak Indonesian?
No, it's the same in Philippines.
Oh, Philippines,
Yeah.
mahal.
Mahal and mura.
Murah.
Yeah,
Oh.
same, yeah.
Expensive
Cheap.
and cheaper.
Yeah. How much for that? For 1 kilo?
We don't sell 1 kilo. We
Oh.
sell only half kilo.
Oh, that's half
Yeah,
kilo.
this one. 9,790. 9,790.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, bro. Nakarating na kami dito sa Monkey Forest. Kaya sama kayo sa amin, magtakutan.
I'm so scared na yung magpunta dito.
Okay lang yan. Tara na. Wala yan. Mababait yan. Kasi magkakamukha naman tayo eh. Kaya,
Tayo lang.
okay, tara. Horror mode on.
Sabi mo, di naman
Joke lang yan. Survival na tayo. Survival.
Basta tayo
Ayan na. Dito na kami sa forest.
Tara na,
Babe, huwag kayo iyak, babe. Okay lang yan. Monkey lang yan.
nasa lang ba yung picture na gusto mo? Tara na.
Teka lang. Nag-enjoy lang yung mga tao dito eh. Ayun, ang dami naman tao oh. Ayun, ang dami naman tao eh. Ayun, may monkey dun sa taas oh. Ayun, sa puno.
Huwag mo ginaganyan din.
Sayang, close. Ito pa naman yung gusto namin puntahan dito.
I don't know how to talk to you. I just know I find myself getting lost.
Ano, babe, okay ka pa ba? Hindi na nagsasalita.
They said no showing of teeth, so I'm not gonna talk.
Ganun ba? Nga pagpalagpakita ng ipin dito. Gagalit yung mga monkeys. 110.
Minutes ang bagal ng oras dito. I'm like so scared. Pwede na kumila na tayo.
Hindi ka pa natutuwa, nakikita mo yung pamilya mo ulit dito, babe.
Let's line up na doon sa ano, babe. Sa photo.
Sige.
Yun na yung pinunta namin dito kasi yung gusto niya yung photo, selfie with the monkey.
Yeah.
Pero naka-break yung tao. And 10 minutes na kami naggagala. Like, oh my goodness, saan ba ka ng oras?
Thank you, bro. Thank you. That's good. Yeah,
Thank
so
you.
much. Tao po.
Hi guys! So we're in Bali and I'll give you a villa tour. Okay, let's go. So we have a sunbathing bed, which we probably won't use. We have a swimming pool. We have a
Floating bed, hammock.
floating hammock. All hammocks are floating, aren't they? Whatever. So here. Ah! Sweet cut! Please help! It's our first time, so okay. Cut. Okay, again. We have a table here. We also have a kitchen actually there. Much pangit, but it's actually pretty nice and clean. Okay, and then of course we have a bedroom. So ito lang. Meron tayong, it's like a roll-out bed. Ganito. Pwede siyang dalhin hanggang sa labas.
Oh,
Do you want me to do it right now?
sure.
Okay. Like that. Sabi lang, and
Wow, lakas mo naman.
rolling nga eh.
Babangga.
Basta, next time na yun, mamaya.
Eh, soli mo muna.
Hindi siya naka-center. Basta, that's that. It's a rolling bed. We have a cabinet, may
Nice.
table with a mirror. So, pwede mag-makeup there. And here is just the washroom. Tub, which has a nice view then.
Wow.
See, like, there. And a toilet. So that's it. That's everything in our villa. It's so cool. Look at the view. Sabi ko yung view, not me.
Ay, sorry. Kala ko ikaw yung view eh.
Okay. That's all. Bye!
Dive ka ulit sa hammock.
Ayoko na. Ang sakit eh.
Site ba?
Hindi, nagulat lang ako. Kala ko mahulog ako. Okay. Tapos na?
Sensational. Yeah. But tonight is you, girl. And I know, and I know, and I know. Love like a riddle. Yeah. Give me the blues like a riddle. Oh, that's a little. Yeah. Life's pretty sweet. Every bitch will tell me love her till the morning. Nah, nah, nah. Love her till the nighttime. Nah, nah, nah. I don't be nobody. I don't be nobody. Yeah. If you give me body, I won't tell nobody. Yeah. Valley girl, she West Coast. She want me blue skirt, so me blue skirt. Ballet girl, she West Coast. You see, it's obvious, it's obvious. Sensational. Yeah. But tonight be with you, girl. And I know, and I know, and I know.
Hi guys! Good morning from Bali! So, try namin ilabas yung roll-out bed. And we'll be chilling dito sa labas while waiting for the breakfast. It's currently 7:30. Ano oras na, babe? Mag-8 na and 8:30 darating yung breakfast. So, babe, go. Labas mo yan, kaya mo yan. Sa left side, boy, Bugs. Si driver to. Ito na ba yan? Galing mo. Very strong!
May kamo tayo dito, tapos meron tayo hammock. Sugatan ako. So, pipick upin kami ng driver namin ng mga 11 a.m. Nag-aantay lang kami ng breakfast today. Siguro yung mga 30 minutes kakain na kami. Pakita namin yung breakfast namin sa inyo, guys. Pero for now, relax muna tayo. Dito muna tayo.
Chill. Sunbathing.
Wait. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, done na yung aming floating breakfast. Naayos na namin lahat. Now we're ready to go to our next hotel. It's gonna be in Seminyak. Let's go, guys. Let's go! So yung jungle floor is like jungle. So this is room 3. I think iba pang rooms na 5.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Kala ko nakakang bayad.
Uy. Wala nakaintindihan.
Who's not a riddle? Oh, that's a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can be bitter. This one she's fine, oh yeah. She want this, and she got this. No beat control them, yeah. She dancing, she wind it. She make me want to give her body back shots, body. Give her body back shots, give her body back shots. She the way I jump on NYC. Big girl, she carry the best I see. Steady, ready, me assassin. Sweet in my belly, you're like cake, guys. Something jelly. Eggplant emoji. So strange when I slide it. Now she watching me like telly.
So seductive. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. You're going to hit the spot. Whoa,
I'll take you to the candy shop.
yeah,
One more taste of what I got. I have to spend it on you, guys.
come on.
Keep going till you hit the spot.
You can have it your way. How do you want it? You gon' back that thing up or should I push up on it? Temperature rising, okay, let's go to the next level. Dance floor jam-packed, hot as a tea kettle. Break it down for you now, baby, it's simple. You be a
Ganda ng tubig dito, man. Dito kami ngayon sa Jungle Beach Club. Sobrang ganda dito. Meron kami sariling spot ng swimming pool dito. Ang ganda. May forest, lupet. Living life like how it's supposed to be. Yung sa likod namin, Jungle Club. Ayan, Jungle Club, lupet. Dito lang kami. Magpapahinga lang kami dito. Magre-relax lang kami. Thank you. Okay, so paalis na kami dito. Grabe, sobrang worth it ng araw na to. Di namin ina-expect na
Relaxing day.
yeah, magre-relax lang kami today. Sobrang relaxing. Alright, so hantayin na namin driver namin. Nandiyan na yata siya. Grabe, sobrang ganda doon sa Jungle Club. The Jungle Club. Medyo mahal nga lang pero sobrang chill doon. Nakatulog ako at nakapag-relax kami. Grabe.
120 yung, ay, almost 100. almost
$10
$10.
almost.
And normally, parang $4 lang, like 40, 45.
Yeah.
Rupee lang. Doble yung presyo dun.
Oo nga eh. Pero okay naman, worth it naman sa tingin ko. Parang nasa 5-star hotel ako nagstay.
Okay.
So, galing kami dun sa Jungle Club, di ba? Shoutout dun sa'yo, Adi. Shoutout, Adi. If you're watching this, you're the GOAT, bro. Dami mong binigay ng mga libre sa amin. And ikaw na yung pinakamalupit na tao na nakita ko dito. Sobrang bait.
Yung server nakakairita. Like, bibilhin mo na, hinihingi mo. Like, after 1 hour. Kasi yung towel doon, it's not for free. Tsaka bawal ka magdala ng towel mo. So, kailangan mo magrenta sa kanila, which is 500k rupiah. About $5. Tapos, kumukuha ko ng towel for us. At tagal, 1 oras na, girl. Wala pa. Tuyo na ako. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-towel.
Oh, di ba nakatulog na nga ako tapos nagising
Wala
na
pa.
ako.
Tapos kailangan ko pa siyang puntahan para i-remind na nasa na yung towel ko. Like,
Oo.
I'm not even asking. It's not even for free. Like, I'm literally paying for it. Oh my goodness. Baka hindi
Kaya
kasi
nga.
siya yung server natin doon sa area kasi diba like
Siguro.
lagi siya yung nagsistay
Oo
doon.
nga.
Baka sabi, ay wala akong mapapala sa inyo. I'm not gonna serve you.
Oo, tapos meron pa kaming photographer na hinair. Grabe, mahal.
Nahinay.
Grabe,
shut
sobrang
up.
mahal sa Bali, guys.
Sobrang free nung photographer. Nandun lang kami, chillin. Tapos may lumapit sa amin kung gusto daw kaming picture. Nakala ko naman, okay, fine for their social media, gano'n. Pero sabi niya, "Ay, gusto niyo ba ba?" Tapos itanong naman, ay, sige.
Siyempre, parang Pilipinas lang din talaga yung Indonesia eh, no? Tignan mo. Puro, puro mani. Ayan, ketut. Tapos, meron tayo dito curry. Curry flavored na mani. Meron sila dito. Ito, yung ano? Ano nga tawag dito?
Pinipig.
Hindi, yung peanut brittle. Ito, kung gusto nyo ng pasalubong sa Pilipinas.